Pricing lawn maintenance and landscaping jobs is a science, but it's not rocket science. Most landscapers, they guess, or worse, ask Facebook groups what to charge. That's the fastest way to stay broke, because their costs, they're not your costs. What I'm about to show you is the same formula that took me from busy and broke to running a profitable, scalable business, and it can do the same for you. Pricing boils down to two things. First, know your true hourly rate. Second, know how long the job will take. That's it. 2 parts. When you nail your hourly rate once, you only need to repeat step 2 for every new job. That's how you stop guessing. That's how you price in minutes, not hours. Now, I'm going to show you the science behind pricing and then a way to make it even easier so that you can price every job quickly with confidence. Step 1 is locking in your true hourly rate. This is where most landscapers do mess up. They think overhead doesn't apply to them. But if you own a business, you have overhead, period. Your salary should count, even if you're not paying yourself yet. Licenses, insurance, office supplies, blades, wear and tear on equipment, it all has to be in the math. And don't forget, add it up annually. Because even if you only mow 6 months a year, plenty of those expenses are year-round. Next is your production hours. How many hours does your crew actually work in a year? Not calendar hours, but billable productive time. Divide your total annual cost by those production hours. That gives you your hourly rate. But we're not done yet. Crew pay isn't as simple as $20 an hour. By the time you add taxes, insurance, and downtime, that $20 is really closer to $28. Now, you add your overhead share, then add in the profit that you want to keep, and that's your true hourly rate. And once you've got it locked in, you don't need to recalculate it every time. I actually created a calculator that does this for you. You drop in your numbers once and it's done. Step 2 is simply figuring out how long the job takes. Mowing, edging, trimming, the size of the property, your equipment, and your crew speed all matter. That's why I built that into the calculator too. Let's say that your hourly rate comes out to $80 and you figure that a job will take 45 minutes. That's $60, clear, fast, profitable. I learned this the hard way. Month after month, I'd finish the season wondering, where did the money go? When I built this formula into my business, everything changed. I scaled past 7 figures, and I've helped other landscapers do the same. Once you started using the systems that I've shown to you, what's the difference between your old pricing and your new pricing?
I would say the difference between my pricing is I was obviously underpricing by a lot. By the time Dan stepped in and helped me, you know, break down my prices and get them where they need to be. When I did give those prices, people were still I was still able to close jobs even with that decently higher price because my name was out there and I do good work, so I was able to price accordingly.
It's not complicated math. It's just knowing the right steps. Now here's the problem. Most owners try to do this on paper. They forget hidden costs. They don't stick with a system and they waste time. That's why most landscapers drift right back into guessing. That's why I created this pricing fix sprint. In just 7 short lessons, you'll take a complete pricing system. Each lesson is quick and practical. You can watch them one a day or knock out the whole series in a single sitting. Along the way, you'll use my profit-powered calculator. You set it up once, and from then on, you can price any job in under 7 minutes, confident that you're making money. You'll also get a 20-minute question and answer session with me, so you're not left figuring this out alone. The sprint is just $97. It's less than the cost of filling your truck and equipment. One correctly priced job pays for it. The rest, profit. Don't wait until another season goes by and that you realize you've been undercharging again. Click the link below. Join the pricing fix sprint for let's fix your pricing once and for all so every job that you take in is profitable.